Hey guys! We are here to discuss about circle. Here are the some problems and each will be answered by our members.
So here are some problems that are given. First, x squared plus quantity of y minus 3 squared is equals to 4. Next, x plus 2 quantity squared plus y plus 1 quantity squared is equals to 9. Next, center at 0, 3 and passes through point 9, 3. Next, point sub 1, negative 1, 4, negative 1, 4, and point sub 2, 3, 0. Next, x squared over 16 plus y squared over 16 is equals to 1. And last, x minus 5 quantity squared plus y squared is equals to 20.
So, number 1 given po natin ay x squared plus quantity of y minus 3 squared equals 4. So, ang lagi po natin center ay quantity of h and k. So, ayan po. And ang center na equation po natin lagi ay quantity of x minus h squared plus quantity of y minus k squared equals radius squared. So, ayan po. Ang radius, so makita nyo po, ang radius natin ay ang 4. So, ang radius squared is equals to 4. Ang laging gagawin natin is i-square root po natin siya para makuha po natin yung total talaga ng radius. So, square root of 4 is equals to 2. So, ang radius natin ay 2. So, ang center po natin dito ay, kung makita nyo po, ang h is always kasama ang x. Ang k, lagi na makasama ang y. So, ang h, wala po siyang number, kaya 0 po automatically yan. Tapos, ang k po, so, negative 3. So, lagi po natin i-opposite yung sign ng k para makuha po talaga natin yung value ng k. So, negative 3. So, i-opposite natin yung sign. So, magiging positive 3 po siya. So, since nakuha po natin ito, at saka ang ito pala, so, mag-graph na po tayo. Ayan po, ito po lagi ang y, ito po lagi ang x. So, lagyan po natin ng ganyan. Okay. So, magsimula po tayo lagi sa center. So, ang center po natin ay 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So, lagyan po natin ng line yan. Ay, ng dot. Para ma-remember po natin, yan yung center natin. So, simula po tayo sa radius. So, sa radius po, lagi po tayo mag-a-add ng 2 since yung radius natin ay 2. So, 1, 1, 2. Tapos dito, 1. Tapos dito po, 1, 2. So, ito po. Tapos, 1, tsaka 2. Ipapantay po natin lagi sa center. So, 1, 2, pantay ulit sa center. So makita nyo po ito. Gagawin na po natin circle. Kung makita nyo po, ayan na po yung circle. Thank you!
So, number 2 equation is quantity x plus 2 quantity squared plus y plus 1 quantity squared equals 9. So, dito, meron tayong h and k. So, una natin gagawin is, we will find out what is our center. So, x equals h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So, yung center natin, so the 9 is r. So, r squared equals 9. Then, para malaman natin kung ano yung r, we will square it r. So, this will be cancelled. Then, r is equals to 3. Then, our center will be negative 2 and negative 1. Why? Because x plus 2 minus 2. So, it will be negative 2. Then, y, then plus 1 minus 1, it will be negative 1. So, we will be plotting now. Then, it will be x and y. Then, negative 2. 1, 2, and then negative 1. So, here is our center. Then, from the center, we will count 3, up, down, side, left, and right. So 1, 2, 3. Then, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. then 1. Yep.
Our center is 0, 3, passes through 9, 3. Dahil wala si R, gagamit tayo ng distance formula. So, distance formula is T is equal to square root of x sub 1 minus x sub 2 quantity squared plus y sub 1 minus y sub 2 quantity squared. Substitute natin, this is my x sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1, y sub 2. So, square root of 0 minus 9 squared plus 3 minus 3 squared. So, 0 minus 9 is equal to 9 minus negative 9 squared plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Negative 9 squared is equal to 81 plus 0 squared is equal to 0. 81 plus 0 is equal to 81. So, ito na yung R natin. Pero, i-square root ko pa siya. So, magiging 9. So, yung R ko is equals to 9. Ang equation kasi ng circle is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared. So, r squared is equal to r squared. Dito ko na lang lalagay yan. So, since yung x ko ay 0, center ko, ang x ko sa center ay 0. So, ito magiging x squared na lang. Plus, y, dahil 3 siya, so magiging minus negative 3 squared is equal to 81. Kaya siya naging 81, kasi yung radius ko is 9. So, 9 squared is equal to 81. So, ika-graph na natin siya. X squared plus y minus 3 is equal to 81. Since yung center ko is equal to 0, 3, tapos yung radius ko is 9. Dahil 0 ang x ko, tapos ang y ko is 3, so 1, 2, 3, this is my center. At ang radius ko ay 9, so mag-add ako ng 9 pataas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, ganyan din sa baba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ganyan din sa kabila. So, this is my y, this is my x. Dito naman, ganun din. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, dito. Ngayon, i-graph na natin ang circle. This is now my answer.
For number 4, we have the endpoints of the diameter of the circle. We have point 1, which is negative 1, 4, and point 2, 3, 0. Wala nang ibang given, so hanapin natin yung center using the midpoint formula, which is m is equals to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. Yan. Ito ang ating x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, okay. Equals negative 1 plus 3 over 2 4 plus 0 over 2. Negative 1 plus 3 equals 2. Ito ang ating center. Ngayong meron na tayong center, gagamitin natin yung distance formula para mahanap yung radius. Ang distance formula natin ay d is equals to square root of x sub 1 minus x sub 2 quantity squared plus y sub 1 minus y sub 2 quantity squared. Ang gagamitin nating value ay center at isa sa mga points. Ang gagamitin ko ay itong point na to. Uh, 3, 0. X sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1, y sub 2. 1 minus 3 squared plus 2 minus 0 squared equals plus 2 squared equals 8. 8 kasi 4 plus 4. So, ito yung magiging r squared natin. Kukunin natin yung equation ng circle using itong mga informations na to. Bale, x minus 1 squared dahil dito plus y minus 2 squared equals 8. R squared natin is equals to 8. Bale, para makuha yung radius, square root natin siya. R is equals to 2.83. Mental yun, guys. Mental. Gahin nyo ako. Yan. 2.83. So, ayun guys. Igagraph na natin yung circle. Center natin. 1, 2. Radius. 2.83. So, drawing tayo ng Cartesian plane. Tapos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, X. Center 1, 2. 1, 2. Itong radius na 2.83, magdadagdag tayo sa each side ng 2.83 starting from the center. So, 1, 2. Sabihin natin nandito yung 0.83. 1, 2. 0.83. 1, 2, 0.83. 1, 2, 0.83. Tapos, ayan. Perfect na perfect.
X squared over 16 plus y squared over 16 equals 1. So, gagawin natin, times natin siya sa 16. Both sides. So, bali makakancel itong dalawang 16. Tapos, ito times natin sa 1. So, x squared plus y squared equals equals 16. Alam natin na itong dalawang to ay automatic na 0, 0 kasi wala naman tayong value ng x and y. Yung 16 is square root natin, so magiging 4. Yung 4 ay radius natin yan. Tapos yung center, nakuha din na natin. So, i-graph na natin siya. So, automatic yung center natin is dito. Yung radius, magbibilang ako ng 4 pa up, 4 pa down, left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ganun lang kadali yun. Ipa-plot mo na siya. Tapos, drawing ka na ng circle. Yun na.
So, ito na yung 6th example and last example natin. So, dito, yung h natin is 5. Dahil 5 siya kasi negative 5. Opposite, 5. Then, yung k natin is 0 kasi walang kasama si y. Yung r natin, square root lang. R squared is equals to 20. So, para makuha natin si r, square root natin both sides. Square root. So, r is equals to square root of 20 or lagay natin siya sa calculator. Square root of 20 is equals to 4.47. So, r is equals to 4.47. So, yun na yung r natin. Ngayon, igagraph na natin siya. 5, 0. So, 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito yung center natin. Next, ilagay natin si radius. So, dagdag up and down, left and right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dito banda. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4.7. 4. Yan. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito. Pababa, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dito banda. So, ito na yung circle natin. So, yan na. So, yun guys. Natapos na ang ating one-on-one video tutorial. So, see you on our next tutorial. Bye guys!